Welcome back, everyone. I'm just going to go ahead and leave this here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete these just so that we get in the practice of adding in some other tags. So there's a ton of other things we can do. We can actually do strong. So if we type in strong, you'll see that basically the text becomes stronger. Okay? And of course, you need that slash there as well. So the word paragraph is strong. Well, guess what? We can also make it strong and emphasized at the same time. Okay, so we have it emphasized and emphasized. Okay, pretty simple. Okay, now if we take this, you'll notice that the rest of it is emphasized. So if I type in the /em right here, there we go. You can see that paragraph and in is emphasized, while only the word paragraph is strong. And the reason I know this is because of where these ending tags are. Okay? And that's how you add in strong text. I'll see you guys next time.